Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Oh my god, this is your current energy, Six of Swords. And we have got Two of Swords in reverse. This is your partner's current energy. Okay, Capricorn, let's talk about your current energy. With this card, Six of Swords in reverse, it seems like that most of you people are not giving up on something. Okay, you are very much passionate about something in life. Okay, it could be a relationship, it could be a person. Okay, you are being somebody who is very stubborn minded, or you want what you want. Okay, you do not want to compromise on that. All right, I feel that your person must have asked you to leave, but you are not leaving right now. You are not giving up. You are not giving up on this person. You are not giving up on this relationship. Okay, earlier you felt that okay, I should move ahead, or I should move on, or I should move out from this relationship, but somewhere something is happening within your own heart and mind which is stopping you. Hence you are not moving on right now. You are not giving up on them. All right, we have Two of Swords in reverse. Seems like your person has emotions. Okay, this person has emotions. This person has I feel that this person has opened their heart for, this person has opened their heart, okay, but not for anyone. Okay, they are feeling good, they are feeling enjoying their time, they are they must be talking to so many people, but when it comes to relationship thing, it's not that they have closed their heart, but they are not interested in taking any action towards anyone. Okay, seems like with regards to relationship and love thing, they are somebody who has done their part. Okay, they are kind of done. Okay, and they are being somebody who don't want anyone in their life, and that's why they are living their life on their own terms. They have emotions for people, but now they are not looking for any kind of relationship thing in their life. All right, so this is your partner's current energy. Now let's see what you feel about them, or what they feel about you, or how you see them and how they see you. We have got Nine of Pentacles. Capricorn, you see them as somebody who has everything in life. They are fortunate people, they are blessed people. They have family, they have home, they have pets, they have kids, they have money, they have material things. So when you see them, you find them as somebody who is independent, who is blessed with so many things in life. Okay, or with the basic things of life, okay. And yes, somewhere you also see them as somebody who is just okay. So you see them as somebody who is very independent and the person who never relies on anybody else. But when it comes to emotion, this person is standing alone. Even though they have fruits, they have abundance in their life, they have a lot of opportunities in their life, they have good family, they have good friends, good pets. Okay, but when it comes to emotion things, you think about them as you think about them that this person has no one to share their emotions. This is the reason they are standing aloof. This is the reason they are standing alone. Okay, they have everyone around them, but they don't have anyone with whom they can share their heart. All right, On the other hand, your person feels about you, or you see that, or they see you as somebody who is a completely party freak. Okay, they see you as somebody who is very social. Okay, perhaps they think about it that you are into that you are indulging into or involved into a lot of social groups. Okay, you have so many friends. You are somebody who always consumes alcohol, or you are always so consumes, or you are somebody who is a party animal. Okay, and yes, with this Four of Pentacles card, they see you as somebody who is feeling left alone by their own family. I mean, they see you as somebody that your family has abandoned you. Okay, this is the reason you are sitting here completely idle, completely alone. Okay, there is a city behind this person. Okay, you have left your home, you have left your people. From that, there is no emotional connection between you and them as in you and your family. And that's why you are just you are just involving with such people, or you are engaged with such people. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. So we have got the Hierophant and the Hanged Man. Capricorn, seems like you are discussing about them within their family, I mean within your family or friends. Okay, you are taking guidance from people, you are doing a lot of meetings. Okay, and also you have put this relationship on hold. See, I told you, you are being somebody who is not giving up on this relationship. So perhaps from that perspective, you have kept this relationship on hold. But it doesn't mean that you are not doing anything. You are talking to people. You are taking advice from the people. Okay, what this person is up to. What they are thinking about me. What they want from me. Okay. What exactly they are looking for. Looking out from me. Okay. So in that way, you are taking actions. But in your own territory. You are not doing anything towards them. Okay, for them you are not doing anything. All right, you have kept this relationship on hold for the time being, and in that time you are gathering all the informations. You must be talking to people. Okay, now what's happening, or now what should be my next step. Okay, how can I convince them? The Emperor. This person is not taking any action towards you, Capricorn, because this person is showing themselves as they are an emperor. Okay, kings are somebody who never, you cannot see them roaming around here and there. They have some dignity in their life. They have some moral values in their life. Okay, you won't find them roaming around here and there. You won't find them doing unnecessary things. They have their own territory, they have their own work, they have their own responsibilities, and being an emperor, they are doing very much best. But when it's come to taking any action towards you, they are not doing anything. They are completely focused towards their own growth, towards their own finances, towards their own expansion. All right, being a king, they are not allowed to show their emotions, because they have to feed their goals, they have to feed their projects. Okay, because they are very determined to achieve something in life. Okay, what you feel in this relationship and what they feel in this relationship. Let's see what Capricorn feels in this relationship and what their person feels in this relationship. So we have got Eight of Pentacles and Queen of Wands, and what your person feels in this relationship. Okay, so with these two cards, Eight of Pentacles and Queen of Wands, You see them or you feel in this relationship as you are the one who has to put a lot of efforts in this relationship, because your person seems like not interested in this relationship. Okay, so you feel that, okay, if I have planned that I'm not moving out, so I have to take a lead in this relationship. So I feel that it's you who is working really hard to get their attention, to get their love, to get their affection, to get their emotion. And it's you who is offering them this flower, your emotion, your love. And you are being somebody who genuinely wants to take action, but your person is not ready for this relationship. So that's why you are doing your own stuff. Okay, you are putting a lot of efforts. I told you, perhaps you have put this relationship on hold, but eventually you must be talking about them within your family, within your friends. All right, so you have to work really hard to get their attention. On the other hand, your person feels about this relationship as, I have two things, one good thing and one bad thing. Either they think that you are hiding something from them, okay, you are not confronting, or you are not telling them the whole truth right now. Okay, you are hiding something from them, you are being very silent on certain topics of your life. Okay, or perhaps they are thinking about this relationship as a new beginning in their life. No matter how hard they resist to accept that fact, but somewhere deep down in their heart they feel that this could be a new beginning in their life. You could be the new beginning in their life. Okay, but they are doing a lot of back and forth. I mean, they think about you, but not in that way. Okay. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy? Ten of Swords. See, your person has been through some tough time in life. That's what I'm seeing. And eventually you also have seen so many tough time in your life. And both of you are going through same path. Okay. Thank God you are on same page at some point of time. Okay, both of you are going through some kind of a transformation, some kind of a transition. It's there and is happening in your life. Okay, perhaps your person is being very focused towards their own finances and goals right now, and on the other hand I feel that it's you who is working really hard to get their attention. So both of you have healed themselves, both of you have been through transformation journey, or if you have not experienced that thing, or perhaps you are going through some kind of a transformation journey right now. Some new beginnings are waiting for you, Capricorns. All right, now let's see what is going to be the future potential of this reading or this relationship. Future potential of this relationship, please. So we have the Star card and Ace of Wands. Capricorn, with this Star card, I feel it's you who is working really hard to get their attention. I'm telling you, you have the clarity in your life that you want this person only. Okay, you want to spend rest of your life with this person only. And yes, since they are not responding you, so you feel that it's okay to work. It's okay. Let them just give their time. Okay, till that time I should focus on myself. So it seems like you are working your own transformation. You are working on your own transition. Okay, you are working on your own healing. Okay, but the one thing is there for sure, that you have got the clarity in life that you want this person. And with this Ace of Wands, future is also telling me that something new is about to start in your life. Okay, somebody is going to take action, a solid action I am expecting this time. Okay, it's either I think it's you who is going to confront your emotion one more time, but this time you are going to be very, very sure about your emotions or about your decisions. Okay, and I feel that some of you are definitely going to ask a solid answer from them, either yes or no, or whatever the feeling they are going through right now. Okay, now let's see, Capricorn, what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. Take action. Take action. You need not to wait for anything. You need not to wait for anyone. You have to take action right now. This is the time for you to take action. Okay, don't waste your time in thinking about anything. All right, just start doing action. Just start taking action. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this kicks. Sorry, what I'm talking about? 6 of Swords in reverse, 10 of Swords, 2 of Swords in reverse, and yes, some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 9 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant. We have Aries also in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with that too. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this High Priestess card. Some of you could be dealing with Aquarius also. We have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign in this reading with this Ace of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. Alright. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign is also there in this reading with this 3 of Cups. Okay. Alright. So Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.